We decided to create our LibGuides specifically for elementary school students to teach them about Discus, the resources that are available there, and in particular how to use those resources. We chose Discus because we feel that it's important for young students to begin building a strong foundation of research skills, and that begins with using quality, accurate, and up-to-date information. Plus, Discus is free for everyone who lives in South Carolina. We provided short lists of appropriate databases for each subject area so that it wouldn't be overwhelming for them. And then instructional videos would be helpful for students and parents and teachers. So we included Animal Kingdom, Tumble Books, and biography and context instructional videos. We also thought that it would be important for students to be able to use the Smart Search Kids feature so that they could search across all databases at one time. So we hope that this LibGuide is going to be helpful for students in years to come.